Dear student, myself Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastava, Associate Professor Pathology, Dev Allied Health Institute, Sihipur, Jaunpur. Today's my topic is blood grouping. So, you know what is blood group? A blood type is a classification of blood based on the presence and absence of antibodies and inherited antigenic substances on the surface of red blood cells. These antigens may be protein, carbohydrates, glycoprotein or glycolipids depending on the blood grouping system. So, आरबीसी की सरफेस पर जो एंटीबॉडी एंटीजन प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स एंड ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स के रूप में होती हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दीज वी हैव टू डिसाइड द ग्रुप ऑफ द ब्लड. And here is the chart which is showing the different type of blood grouping. So, blood grouping is very important for the saving of life. And what is the RH factor in blood group? Rhesus, denoted by RH, is an inherited protein found on the surface of red blood cells. If your blood has the protein, that is Rh positive. If your blood lacks the protein, you are Rh negative. Rh positive is the most common blood type. A baby can inherit the Rh factor from either parents, mother or father. So, the Rh positive and negative is based on only the presence of protein. And is Rh factor same as blood group? Rh factor group system for classifying blood groups according to the presence or absence of the Rh antigen, often called the Rh factor, on the cell membranes of the red blood cells. And what blood type is ARHD positive? If you have the RHD antigen, your blood type is positive. If you lack the RHD antigen, your blood type is negative. 77% of our donors are RHD positive. There are 4 other main antigens in the Rh system. So, D is denoted for the Rh factor. Rh antibodies. What is Rh antibodies? Does Rh factor affected blood donation? So, antibodies will be created to fight the protein in recipient who do not have the proteins in their blood naturally. So, a patient with Rh blood cannot receive a transfusion from a donor with Rh positive blood, because the recipient body will attack the Rh positive blood on contact. So, these Rh एंटीबॉडीज़ प्रोटीन से लड़ती हैं जब कोई ग्राहक ब्लड को एक्सेप्ट करता है, और ये ट्रांसफ्यूजन में RH पॉजिटिव डोनर से RH पॉजिटिव रेसिपिएंट से जो हैं आपस में कांटेक्ट होते हैं, तब दोनों का रिएक्शन शो होता है. इज RH पॉजिटिव गुड और बैड? Red blood cells do not have a marker called Rh factor on them. Rh positive blood does have this marker. If your blood mixes with Rh positive blood, your immune system will react to the Rh factor by making antibodies to destroy it. this immune system responses is called RH sensitization. सो इस तरह से RH नेगेटिव रेड ब्लड सेल्स पर जो मार्कर्स होते हैं उन्हें RH फैक्टर कहते हैं, और RH पॉजिटिव ब्लड जो हैं वो मार्कर उनमें पाए जाते हैं। जब दोनों ब्लड मिक्स किए जाते हैं तो इम्यून सिस्टम हमारा एंटीजन एंटीबॉडी रिएक्ट करता है और यह डिस्ट्रॉय करता है एंटीबॉडीज़ को और इम्यून सिस्टम रिस्पॉन्स करता है RH सेंसिटाइजेशन। कैन ब्लड टाइप चेंज? क्या ब्लड टाइप चेंज हो सकता है? ऑलमोस्ट ऑलवेज an individual has the same blood group for life, but very rarely an individual's blood type changes, though addition or suppression of an antigen in infection, malignancy or immune disease. Another more common cause of blood type change is a bone marrow transplant. Which blood group is best for marriage? Blood transfusion between partners. If you have type AB plus blood, you are a universal recipient and can receive red blood cells from all donors. If you have type O blood, you are a universal donor and can donate red blood cells to anyone. If you have type A blood, you can receive type A or type O red blood cells. And other blood groups are only receives the same type of blood from the donor. What is the rarest blood type? However, in the United States, AB negative is considered to be the rarest blood type and O positive the most common. The Stanford School of Medicine Blood Center ranked blood types in the United States from rarest to most common as follows, that is AB negative. सो इस तरह से AB नेगेटिव बहुत ही रेयर ब्लड ग्रुप है जो कि मिलता है। एंड हाउ डू आई आइडेंटिफाई माई ब्लड टाइप? द टेस्ट टू डिटरमाइन योर ब्लड ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एबियोटाइपिंग. योर ब्लड सैंपल इज मिक्सड विथ एंटीबॉडीज against type A and B blood. Then the sample is checked to see whether or not the blood cells stick together. If blood cells stick together, it means the blood reacted with one of the antibody. इस तरह से ब्लड ग्रुप टाइपिंग के लिए सैंपल यानी रेसिपिएंट एंड डोनर के ब्लड को मिक्स किया जाता है और मिक्स करने के बाद देखा जाता है कि उसमें स्टिकिंग यानी कि कोआगुलेशन हो रहा है या नहीं. अगर कोआगुलेशन होता है दैट मीन्स कि इट इज़ नॉट कंपैटिबल फॉर द रेसिपिएंट, और अगर एग्लूटिनेशन नहीं हो रहा है इट मीन्स इट इज़ कंपैटिबल फॉर द डोनर. What is the O blood type? The universal red cell donor, the O blood type occurs in one of every 15 people and is the only blood type that is able to give red cells to all other blood type. So, the RH blood grouping system is a human blood group system. It is the second most important blood grouping system. After the ABO blood group system, the RH blood group system consists of 49 defined blood group against among which is the 5 antigens D, C, small c, capital E and small e are the most important. There is no D, small d antigen. So here I am showing a chart for understand how the blood type is determined. in part by the ABO blood group antigen present on the red blood cells. So you can see the red blood cell type, first column, and below the first column antibodies in plasma and antigen in red blood cells, and the four types of blood group A, B, AB and O. The antigen antibody is showing here. Blood type are inherited and represent contribution from both parent. A total of 36 human blood grouping system and 346 antigen are now recognized by the International Society of Blood Transfusion. The two most important blood grouping system are ABO and RH. They determine someone body type A, B, AB and O with positive, negative or null denoting RHD status for stability or suitability in blood transfusion. Here is another chart that is showing the blood groups compatibility chart. In addition to donating to the same blood group type O, blood donors can give to AB and AB. Blood donors of type A and B can give to AB. Red blood cells compatibility table. Here is the recipient column and the second is donor column. The blood grouping O negative, O positive, and the donor is the here green tick is showing the compatibility and red cross showing incompatibility. So here is also A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative. So all the green marks are showing the compatibility and red cross is showing the incompatibility for the different blood group. Assumes absence of atypical antibodies that would cause an incompatibility between donor and recipient blood, as is usual for blood selected by cross matching, and it has to be done by the cross matching. This is very simple process. It is of two type. One is slide method, second is tube method. So slide method is generally adopted in all the laboratory, but the test tube method is only done in research laboratory as blood bank also. Plasma compatibility here is showing four types of blood grouping, and in addition to donating to the same blood group, plasma from type AB can be given to A, B and O. Plasma from type A, B and AB can be given to O. So plasma compatibility test also done like the blood grouping recipient and donor. First column shows all the four groups and second column shows the donor's blood group, and green mark has shown here the compatibility and the red cross is shown incompatibility. So absence of strong atypical antibodies in donor plasma. So I think you have understand very clearly what is blood group, RH, blood grouping, cross matching, presence of antibodies, antigen on the surface of red cells, and the cross matching, compatibility and incompatibility. So student, if you have any queries or any problem, you can ask me on my YouTube channel. Thank you.